She got the sweetest meditation. Her love is real and honest. She leaves you wanting more. Her mission is to connect with me.
And you just saw the latest video from the group Skygrass. This week we're in the Jacks Hill area. You're locked into this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Liana. For the next half an hour, it's all about the Campari Pop Style Finals, music videos, interviews, and so much more. Your Predis journey starts right now. It was all about fashion at the Campari Pop Style Grand Finals held in Halfway Tree recently. Let's check out the highlights and see who emerged winners.
Feelings, you must carry feelings. Why you carry feelings? Me just I got you your page and a browse. Your life look warm and cozy. Me want me in your jacuzzi. Me just I got you your page, I'm searching. Seems like you're hustling, working. Look like say you not a burden. Hey boy, your page it a mad me. I hope I say you up in a reality. Yeah, your car big, your house big, your big. Than me your Fiat. Your page it not private.
Just won the finals of Campari Pop Style and I'm so ecstatic, I'm elated. Words can't even explain how I feel, but I'm so grateful to God who brought me here. And my clients, my friends, my family, you have traveled along this journey with me and I'm extremely grateful. Guys, thank you very much for your support. To the other contestants who entered, you can enter next year because your outfits were really, really, really good. And I would like to say just continue doing what you're doing because you all look great.
Most stylish male on my Campari stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Campari's most stylish male for 2018 is Giovanni Lancaster, walking away with $250,000.
I just want to say thanks to Campari Pop Style for giving me this opportunity for 2018 to pop my style, to show my style. to show off my brand, which is Kai_fashion on Instagram. I sell male and female clothing. I just want to give thanks, and I want to say hats off to Campari for creating a platform to express my inner self, to show who I am, really I am.
I think everybody tried to do what they could, as in I was expecting a lot more effort into the dresses and into the suits and all of that, but I guess next year we'll see what's going to happen.
I want to say a fantastic congratulations to tonight's winners who came out hard, a lot of crowd support, just fantastically stylish. So Campari Pop Style 2018. See you next year for Campari Pop Style 2019.
Some say you are the done. When the money done, you don't see when them gone. Only a true friend you want to call pan. From your lover song, you want to put up on no one. No for them, no real, them need free reborn. This I want thing.
It's Christmas, and what better time to send greeting cards? Jamaican greeting cards. Let's hear more from TCP Ting.
Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto? Santa Claus, do you ever wonder why we suffer so? Santa Claus, when will you come to the ghetto? Santa Claus, we would like to see how your reindeer goes.
Well, we have Jamaican greeting cards. We have for every occasion. We're in over 19 locations in Jamaica. We're very proud that they're designed and printed locally in Jamaica. Greeting cards, gift tags. We have other products such as tote bags, fans, t-shirts, and we're really proud of, we have some bags coming out with the current ban, well not current, but it will be in January 1 with no more plastic bags. We have several shopping bags like Nothing of the Scandal and all of that to encourage reusable bags.
What's the line of cards called?
TCP Tings, and TCP stands for Those Creative People.
And are you expanding to North America outside of Jamaica?
Yes, we're in the process now, so we're really excited to be here. As you know, because of popular demand, we're taking it worldwide. So we're really excited for this to be one of our first events. We're really proud of is that Jamaicans and Caribbean people, they want to see their culture reflected in greeting cards. They don't want to just have to buy, greeting cards and products of other cultures. So we want to be where Jamaicans are, where Caribbean people are, and show them that we have that available.
Now it's time for a quick break. When we get back, it's all about the talent on the rise, and Agent Sasko drops a new video. We'll be right back.
What to cook for dinner today?
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice. Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit